All right, guys, welcome to Mike's World. Today is a little bit different of a video than I normally do. Today, it's snowing and we're driving in the Roush Ranger, and I just decided, I had to leave work. It's on a Sunday. Had to leave church after church because I work there. I have to go to work because of the weather. But I've got this new dash cam. The CX405 is a dash cam, and I've got it mounted on this new dash cam mount, which I did a video of. You can check that out. But really, I just wanted to show you guys the drive from where I started to downtown Oklahoma City in the snow, using the dash cam, the CX405, and just kind of showing you the snow and the roads. Obviously, I'm in four-wheel drive high in my truck. It goes extremely well, doesn't slip at all. So, but you can check out the drive. I won't be doing these very often. I'm going to put it to some free YouTube music so it doesn't get dinged by copyright. But yeah, here you go.
taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the noose off. And you cannot save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. You are not as tough as I'm back, you know that I never left. I got tracks and some music that you never guessed. I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon. I'm not sharp as many, but got hard, I'm ready to change. Scars to envy, to win large and plenty. I like to play fast, never change back. Calling out, I'll pay back, 'cause I'm great at that. Oh, you cannot save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. You are not as tough though. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots, who are not as tough as me. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots, who are not as tough as me.
All right, guys, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I hope you've liked the video. If you do, hit that like, leave a comment if you want, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed, and hit that notification bell. We know every time we put up a new video. So that was just a little bit of driving in the Roush Ranger in the snow in Oklahoma City with the new dash cam and the dash cam mount. So tell me what you guys think. I hope you guys enjoy it. Have a great day, and if you're out in anything like this, please stay safe.